You think I'm talented enough to... Fine, I'll do it. I put a piece of paper over my mirror and I'm going to be using the back-facing camera, so I'm not going to be able to see literally anything. I think I know my face well enough. Where? Oh no. Is that good? Are they good? In my brain, I'm like, this will be way better when I carve it out with concealer, but that might actually just make it way worse. This does not feel like it's going well. I need to have more confidence in myself. That feels low. This one's definitely up higher, isn't it? Blendy blend blend. I was gonna film a transition today. We'll see if that actually happens with this makeup. I had my hopes real high on that one. Oh, this tape is definitely too low. Is it? Yeah. I normally can't feel that much skin. But, oh fuck. Oh no. I felt that. Oh my god. Oh, well this one feels low too, so maybe that's okay. There's gonna be no way to know if this is blended. When in doubt, just blend more, right? That's how makeup works, I think. This might be really funny. I'm not gonna know. How is it? Is it good? I think my base makeup's gonna be really easy to do. I can feel it, you know? I feel it in my bones. Color matching, like matching my shade, might be a bit of an issue. I also didn't think about the fact that I'm gonna have to avoid my eyeliner. Where's my hair? Is it cheating if I could look at my nose? Should I do this side? Oh my god, where's my cheekbone? I don't know if that's too little or too much. I feel like I want to overblend this because I want to make sure. Okay, blush. Step that I feel like I can't mess up. Setting. Still holding mirrors away from me. Don't worry. It just feels like it's gonna be muddy. Blush should be easy unless I accidentally do way too much pigment. It feels good so far. Gotta get the tip. I like to put highlighter in this little pocket, which thankfully is easy to feel. I'm gonna set my face because I'm sure this is a beautiful look that I want to keep on all day. Okay, I gotta bake. I'm scared for mascara only because I feel like I'm gonna stab an eyeball out, you know? Fuck. Can I see it now? Did I just burp and blow that on my lash? It's kind of gross. This one feels better, I think. I overline a lot, so this might be bad. Lipstick. Okay, let's add some lip gloss, and then I'll be done. Now I am going to unveil the mirror and flip my camera. So, okay. Wait. Oh. My eyebrows are actually, my eyeliner's way further down than it normally is, but you know, I kind of popped off.